What's going on, everybody? Mitch here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Mountaineer Brand Complete Beard Kit. The original Complete Beard Care Kit from Mountaineer Brand, a company that is from West Virginia in the United States, comes with a beard wash, beard oil, a magic beard balm, and something they list as a military style beard brush, which is interesting because when I was in the military you weren't allowed to have beards, so I've never heard of a military style beard brush, but we'll look past that. Now at the time of recording this is actually selling for $26.60. Usually it lists for $38 on the Mountaineer Brand website, so it's a little bit of a savings right now. And what you get with this product is as you can see, a nice little burlap sack filled with the products that you ordered. So let's go ahead and open this up here and we'll try them out in just a minute. I've actually been using this for a little bit now, but just so you guys can see, I've resealed it. This is what it comes in. It's tied off like this. I actually received this from a family member on the holiday. So the first thing we're going to pull out here is the beard wash. And if you can see here, if we can get the camera to focus, which it's not going to focus because it loves my pretty beard, ironically enough. We'll get this to work here and post. So nothing fancy, a nice little blue bottle with a black cap, marked on the bottle, Mountaineer Beard Wash, West Virginia Timber, and it's a 4 fluid ounce bottle. So it's kind of small, but it does on the bottle recommend you only use it about 2 times a week. Me personally, I try to keep to that, but if I'm eating like chicken wings or something that night, I may use it a little bit more often than 2 times a week because no one likes chicken wings in their beard. So and if you open the bottle here, you get a very woodsy smell. I think they say it's fir tree or fir timber, and it definitely smells like the woods. So if you're into that kind of thing, if you like the woods, the smell of the woods, it's definitely for you. I'll show you in a little bit, but it actually lathers up really nicely too. You have to use a little bit more than I think as it directs. Let's see, pour a small amount into the palm, so it's kind of vague. I find like 2 full squeezes of the bottle will give you enough to really get it to work up into a nice lather. So that is the Mountaineer Beard Wash. As you can see on the back, it is a made in the USA company. Like I said, is manufactured in West Virginia. Going back into the bag, next thing we'll pull out here is this thing, which is actually, I really like it a lot. I've never had a beard brush or beard specific comb, so this is the first time having one. As you can see on here, I don't know, we might struggle with getting it to focus again. But you see that there's a lot of hairs in it. This thing is really great about getting all the dead hairs that I have in my beard, which was kind of always an issue ever since I started growing my beard more and more. I'll be at work, I'll wipe my face, and then there'll be like a pile of beard hair at my desk. So that's something interesting. They call it a military style beard brush. Like I said in the intro, we weren't allowed to have beards in the army, so I don't know what military. It reminds me more of a horse brush. It feels really good on the skin. My beard's actually a little crazy right now. I kind of left it without product in it right now because I want to show you what it looks like putting it in and everything. But yeah, it's nice wooden handle on the back. It's a nice brush. It works well. The bristles haven't fallen out or anything. It works. Good to me. All right, back into our handy dandy bag. We'll save the magical beard balm last. We'll do the oil. And this is probably nasty because I've been using it. It's been sitting in my bathroom. This is probably the thing I use the most often. This beard oil. And it says it makes your beard soft. Let me go down to where they listed out the description. So it's a beard oil handmade with 100% natural oils. This beard oil absorbs quickly and gives your beard a smooth, soft, subtle shine. Great for conditioning the skin underneath your beard, promotes hair growth, and helping maintain a healthy beard. So some of that I agree with completely. Some I haven't experienced. As far as my beard being softer, I wouldn't say this product here has my beard feel much softer. I would say it's definitely, ever since using these products in total, so I can't say which one is doing it or if it's not a combination of it, my beard does seem fuller. I definitely, the thing I do most often, if I don't have time to, do a full thing with my beard in the morning, I'll throw this on my beard. It does make your beard have a nice healthy shine to it. It makes your beard smell good. It's, once again, same smell as the beard wash. It's that very timber woodsy smell. I think once again it listed out as a fir for the smell. Fir tree. Yeah, it says fir. So it's a very woodsy smell. But yeah, it does make your beard shine, and using this in the combination with this, you can make your beard look pretty decent in a short amount of time if you're in a hurry, which is what I am in most of the time. So this is probably what I use the most of, and there's still a pretty good amount of it. I've used this for several months, pretty regularly, and yeah, it's probably my favorite part of this kit so far is this, and probably the brush. Yeah, and it does say work best on a damp beard. I usually do it right after the shower, for the most part. So finally, in our little empty sack now, we pull out the Magic Beard Balm. This beard balm's it's interesting. I don't know. Let's see. They list it. It's carefully designed and crafted in small batches. Balm will condition and repair damaged hairs. It also conditions and moisturizes the skin under the beard, helping to take care of the itch. This balm, with its creamy consistency, will quickly liquefies in the palm of your hand and easily absorbs into the beard and skin. I cannot open it right now as I read this. We feel this is the best beard balm on the market. I feel like they would say that. I would say that too if I had a beard balm. Oh my god, I can normally open this thing. I don't know what the hell is going on. Ugh, ugly face. Alright, there we go. So you can see I'm actually been using it. There's a beard hair there. Everything's covered in beard hair. Go figure. This is actually my favorite smelling product in this bag. This one, I think they say it's like a lime zest, and then plus with fir tree and things like that. To me, it has more of a lemon smell, and it's definitely my favorite smelling thing in here. It's almost like a lip balm I want to put on my lips, but I'm not going to. Yeah, it's definitely my favorite smelling thing in there because of the lemon smell. I will say, I didn't think about it until reading that, but after using this, I really don't have much beard itch at all. My beard itch has kind of gone away the longer I've had the beard anyways, or I've not noticed it. But after using these products, I would say I don't really have an itchy beard anymore, which is, the biggest complaint I hear about other people who are growing a beard for the first time or trying to grow theirs out more. They complain about the beard itch, and with this product, I haven't really had an issue with that. Honestly, like I said, this is the beard balm in here is the best smelling thing that is in the bag. If you don't like woods, if you don't like the woodsy smell, do not buy the Mountaineer Brand kit, because it is pretty much that and nothing but that, except for this product. And I'm indifferent. Some days I can dig the wood smell, other days not all about it. So, with the wash and the oil, that's what you get. But let's go ahead and try these products out, and I'll show you applying them and see what you guys think. Okay, here we are in my bathroom, using my wife's makeup mirror that I don't think she uses anymore, so hopefully she won't mind. But we got our beard balm, beard oil, and the wash. The wash I do in the shower, so I won't show you using that, but I'll show you how it lathers up still. I don't mind wasting a little bit. And of course we'll use our brush in the process. But my beard is looking pretty scraggly. Probably need to trim it a little bit as well. But let's go ahead and get going here. Actually, yeah, let's trim it just a little bit. Hopefully my wife doesn't see this video, because I'm going to be leaving clippings on the floor. She'll probably kill me. She'll probably see it. I'll probably be dead. Send help. Alright, trimmed up the mustache a little bit. So, no one likes eating mustache hairs. Let's start with the beard balm here. Hopefully we can open it a little bit easier this time. A little bit easier. So, I've already used it once before, or several times before. But what I do, I just scrape a big amount in my hand. They say use your palm, but it's really hard to rub it in because it's supposed to go onto your skin. So actually I rub it on my fingertips, but it does dissolve pretty fast. Once you get on your fingertips, I go underneath my beard and work it in. Put a little on the mustache too. I need a haircut really bad as well. But just work it in. Rub it all in until it dissolves. You can kind of feel it. It's, you know, it's a little creamy feeling. So if there's little patches, you'll know they're there. But this stuff smells good. I wish actually that beard oil came in the smell, but I also wish I could put this stuff on last. But as you can see, it ends up poofing out everything. So I guess I could put the oil on first and then just not form my beard until after I put this in, but it just all seems counterproductive. So I always put the beard balm in first, underneath, and then I put the beard oil on top. I think I'm gonna get a haircut today. This looks shaggy. Okay, I think the beard balm's in there good. There's also hair all over the place. Next, we'll use the beard oil. You can see, got beard balm all over the hands. It's good to always have a towel hanging up nearby for the excess oils. I'll show you what this looks like as well. About 2 or 3 light squeezes. I don't know if you can see that, the oil running in my hand, but just work that together in your hands and then run it through the beard. I'm trying to keep it on my skin because it is an oil, and if your skin breaks out easily, rubbing more oils into it is not going to help it. Luckily, my skin doesn't break out that much very often, so I don't have to worry about it too much. But I want to make sure I get it all in the beard. Now it smells like the woods in here. And now we'll use this, and we'll just kind of give the beard a shape. And one thing I watch for myself personally, I have like a light spot in the middle of my chin. Hair will grow there, but it grows slower than everywhere else. So I'll have like these 2 long spikes and then like a light spot in the middle. So I gotta make sure I like do a little beard comb over for my under the chin bald spot. Having a beard is a lot of work. Especially if you want to look nice. You can have a scraggly beard very easily. I roll with a scraggly beard often when I'm lazy. I need to trim my beard up a little bit on the sides, but that should look a little bit better. Alright. Last but not least, show you this beard wash. So 1 squeeze, 2 squeeze. Just try to wipe the excess off and failed. So looks just like the beard oil in your hand too, although it stays a little bit more put. But it lathers up really good. You can, it can be like an ASMR. I don't know. But yeah, those are really nice. Like I said, I use about 2 scoops, or 2 squeezes, not scoops. I find that that is the best savings of the wash, and as well as the best use of it, you know. But yeah, guys, that's the Mountaineer Complete Beard Care Kit. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. But yeah, guys, until the next video, have a great one, and later. What's going on, guys? Mitch here. I hope you enjoyed today's April 1st video. If you don't know what April 1st is, it's April Fool's Day in the United States. So I don't know what April Fool's Day's observance is outside the United States. Do they do April Fool's Day outside the United States? I'll look it up on Google. I already know. Don't tell me in the comments down below unless you want to. It's your life. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just something fun and different to do. Just because I was bored. Been a little bit of a video rut, so this is nice to do. But once again, guys, seriously, have a great day. Until next time, later.